Imagine a divine occasion that you can witness only once in your lifetime. That too if you are lucky enough. I am talking about Mahakumbh. Yes, the same कुंभ जिसमें हर बॉलीवुड मूवी में कोई ना कोई खो जाता है. But here it's not about losing yourself. It's about finding your fate in the most spectacular way possible. After a wait of 144 years, the world is witnessing Mahakumbh. The 45-day event started today, that is on 13th of January, on the occasion of Paush Purnima. Over the next 45 days, nearly 400 million pilgrims will converge upon Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj. To put that into perspective, that is close to the combined population of United States and Russia. That's not it. Here are 6 facts about the historic gathering that might surprise you. But before we get into that, let's talk about the origin of Kumbh. The Sanskrit word Kumbh means pitcher or pot. It is believed that drops of the divine nectar of immortality or Amrit spilled at 4 locations during a cosmic battle between Dev and Asur, giving these sites their holiness. Well, did you know that Kumbh Mela is the largest gathering on earth, known for being the biggest peaceful gathering? Millions of devotees, tourists and visitors come together in one place to take part in the sacred rituals during the religious occasion. But there is not just one type of this spiritual gathering. In fact, there are 4. First is the Mahakumbh Mela. This Mela comes under the rarest and most significant of all the Kumbh gatherings. It is held once every 144 years in Prayagraj and is regarded as the most auspicious event. That is what the world is witnessing now. It is a once-in-a-lifetime event for many. Another one is Purna Kumbh Mela. This grand occasion is celebrated every 12 years and the locations keep rotating on 4 holy locations, that is Ujjain, Haridwar, Prayagraj and Nasik. Ardh Kumbh Mela occurs every 6 years and is celebrated in Haridwar and Prayagraj. And then there is Magh Mela. The holy occasion is observed on an annual basis in Prayagraj during the Hindu month of Magh, that is from January to February. Taking a holy dip in the sacred river during Mahakumbh is believed to rinse all the sins and make the way for salvation. This major pilgrimage for Hinduism does not just attract Indians but also attracts international visitors. People from diverse backgrounds and religions also participate in cultural and spiritual spectacle. This year's Mahakumbh is projected to generate up to 2 lakh crore rupees in economic growth for Uttar Pradesh. The Kumbh Mela has been recognized by UNESCO as the intangible cultural heritage of humanity, highlighting its importance and value of cultures around the world. Additionally, the Mahakumbh 2025 will feature the Yuva Mahakumbh, a mega gathering of youth and students from across India united by a common thread: the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, whose birth anniversary on January 12th is celebrated as a National Youth Day.